are back at Cut Up and Sew today with some new fabric. I am Casper, and I think I might need a fabric expert. Is there anyone nearby who could help me?
I'll help. Good job,
you,
dude.
Daddy.
Good job.
Thank you.
Well, to them, my name's not Daddy. What's my name?
Joshua.
What's up, everybody? We got some new fabric, and Casper, who is actually the fabric expert, wanted to make a video. Look at all of these boxes. Whoa! And we already know what's in there. We had to kind of take a little sneak peek, but we're going to go through some fabric, and we're going to share it with you guys, right?
Yay!
Yeah, so look at me. Tell them. Say, are you ready to see some fabric?
Are you ready to see some fabric?
I'll take that as a yes. Check it out.
Tired.
We're whooped. Are you tired?
Yeah.
All right. So we figured the unboxing, because there were so many boxes, would literally take forever. So we sped that up for you. But we still have to show you the fabric. So, all right, Cass, come on. Let's show them some fabric.
Okay, I'm not tired
First
anymore.
up, what do you think about that one? You like these colors?
Yeah. I like the stripe.
What about this one? What do you like on this one?
That has fishes.
They're cool fishes, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this one's really cool. And then here's a really nice four-way. By the way, we forgot to tell them. Do you know what this is? Do you guys?
No.
You don't know who this fabric designer is or what this line is?
Bernini.
No, it's not Bernina.
Bernina.
No, it's TULA Pink. Floral
TULA
Reef.
Pink.
We could have said that at the beginning of the video, although I imagine most of you know that already. So this is the entire TULA Pink Floral Reef line.
Ooh, I like
Which
this
color
one.
do you like?
I like both of them.
You like both of them?
Yeah, that one looks like night vision.
And there's a bunch of different colorways, so I'm going to go kind of fast. But just so you guys know, this will be in the system by the time this video is released, and you can come in and get it at the Palm Coast location of Cut Up and Sew, or of course you can go to our website, cutupandsew.com, and either order it and we'll ship it to you, or you can choose to pick it up at either location.
Oh, that one I like.
This one's
It has
really cool, isn't it?
stripes.
Yeah.
Also, this one, it has seashells.
Oh, these are heavy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Those shells are really funky. This is one of my favorites. This one's so cool. You got it? Whew. And here's some cool small diamonds. And I'll do it like this because there's 3 colorways. Hi. Check these out. Very cool, right?
Yep.
TULA has done it again. Now, I'll be honest with you. People are really excited about this. So it is not going to last long. In fact, we already did a pre-order of this collection. It feels like last year, but it was, well, technically, I guess it was last year, but months ago. But we still
have more seashells.
We do have more seashells, but we have more left, which is great. This one might be my favorite. Look at that colorway. Those seashells are so cool.
Yeah, it's also his favorite color in the background. Purple.
That's right, purple. Boom. So cool.
Yep.
Love this colorway. I'm going to try to pick up the pace because we're already at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Whew. All right, we're going to rip that one open. So here, let's do this.
Rip this one open?
If you can rip it open, do it. That is a really cool colorway. Check that out. And I did get 2 of these because I absolutely love it. If you can rip that open, that'd be awesome. There's fish in another colorway. Very cool. Woo, look at this one.
If I can make literally just one tiny hole, I can rip the entire thing off.
I'm trying to make it at a glare so you, so put it in an angle so you don't see.
I'll be back with
the
some
glare.
scissors.
Oh, here, I'll rip it for you. Put that one over there for me.
No, I want to do it.
There you go. There's a tiny hole.
Okay. I'm gonna go get. I'll be right back. So with some scissors. So if we want to unbox any more, we have the scissors.
Okay.
I will be
Look
right
at
back.
those shells. Incredible.
Let me just get this up.
Another colorway of the fishies. Did I already show this one? Now I'm getting confused on what I've shown.
I'll be right back with scissors.
Okay. Look at this line. Or look at this print. Guys, people wonder why we love Tula Pink so much. Well, this pretty much says it all. Yeah, I hear you in the background. No running with scissors. You guys caught that on video. We're good parents.
We got some scissors.
All right, one more of the Tiny Diamonds colorway. Very, very cool. Thank you, buddy. Love this one. Check.
Gotta get caught up on these fabrics.
Again, I'm trying to get it so you don't see the glare. Woo. How sweet is that? Here it is, another colorway. Too cool. Ooh. Oh, I'm going to show this one. Ooh, look at those sharks in the background. Purple sharks. Cass, check that out.
Oh, I noticed those. I need it.
Oh.
Do you want to unbox that one?
No, it's all right.
No, if you want, I can unbox it.
No, it's all right. I'll let you unbox this one now. Because I love
Come on,
this.
Daddy, please, can I unbox one?
This one.
Okay. Wait, do you want to?
This is a combination of Tula and
unbox
what?
both of them?
No, just that one, bud. Tula
How
and
about I unbox that one and then bring this one up there?
graffiti quilting. Boom. Amazing. Now,
Oh, wait, never mind, since there's already holes.
we have all three. I was just making sure how many there were of the 108s as well. I'll bring one of these up close so you can see it. The humongous, super rad seashells. Look at this. So we got all three of the 108 colorways. And last but certainly not least, pre-cuts galore. These are the fat quarter bundles. Look at that. If you just want a little bit of all of them, fat quarter bundles or the 10-inch squares. And I'm not even unwrapping them yet because I'm not going to make the video longer than it already is. But you guys have seen the entire collection, so just know that we have the 10-inch squares, and there's not a ton of them. And some of them are already sold. So if you want any of this, you're going to want to go to cutupandsew.com or come into Palm Coast, Cut Up and Sew, quick, immediately.
One in the back, quick.
Hold on, Fabric Master. We're almost done. I'm going to show them one last thing, and then we got to wrap the video up.
You want me to cut open these?
No.
Layer things?
Boom. And I'll be honest with you, this is the Marine Meadow quilt kit.
Do you want me to cut that open?
No, don't open this. What is he, crazy? These might already be sold. I'm not 100% sure, so go to the website and find out. So, hey, thank you for helping me. Did you forget we were making a video?
No.
All right. See, I'm a good parent taking away scissors from crazy kids. What do you want to tell them?
Goodbye. By the way, I'm the main one in this video, not him. He's the helper today.
This is true. But where can they go?
He's also the
Where can they go to get all this?
Cut Up and Sew.
Boom.
Palm Coast store.
There it is.
Not St. Augustine.
No, you can go to the website if they want to pick it up in St. Augustine. We'll take it there for
So
them.
far, not in St. Augustine.
Awesome. We'll see you guys soon.